Take a look at this channel called Next Gen Process, and trust me, this creator is pulling off something that most people only dream about because they've gained over 63,000 subscribers with just 21 uploads. And what makes this even crazier is how unbelievably fast everything happened, since their very first video went live only 3 weeks ago. And that single upload has already crossed 4 million views on its own, while the rest of their videos are bringing in massive numbers too, with some hitting millions and others pulling hundreds of thousands within days. So the big question right now is, what exactly is this channel doing that is causing it to explode this fast? And real quick, the answer is simpler than you think, because they're creating those ultra-satisfying, high-detail industrial process videos that show viewers how different products are made from start to finish, giving that clean, smooth documentary feel that people love watching. And these videos reveal full production lines, raw materials transforming into expensive items, and the hidden mechanics behind billion-dollar industries. And what's wild is that every video feels like a full guided tour inside a factory, showing things like snakeskin turning into luxury leather, or metal shaping into precision tools, or food being mass-produced in huge facilities, with smooth transitions, consistent lighting, crisp motion, and an insane amount of small visual details that keep people locked in and watching to the end. And here's the crazy part that blows everyone's mind. They're not visiting any actual factories at all, because everything they create is fully made with AI. And today, I'm going to walk you through the exact step-by-step method to create these inside the factory videos using AI tools. So stick around until the end, and trust me, don't skip any part because every step matters in this process. So let's get started right away and dive in. So the first step is coming up with video ideas that people actually want to watch, because this is the foundation of every viral industrial process video. And to make this super easy, I've already made a Google Doc with ready-to-use prompts that help you generate unique topics, complete production flow concepts, and super detailed image prompts for use in AI tools. And you can find the link in the description, so check it out because it saves you hours of brainstorming and gives you ideas viewers are already searching for. So yeah, real quick, if you've made it this far, do me a favor and tap the like button because it really helps push this video out to more creators who want to grow faceless channels. Now let's jump back in and keep things moving. Head over to the Google Doc and copy the entire topic prompt. Then head to your favorite AI text generator, and for this tutorial, I'm using ChatGPT, and all you do is paste the prompt into the chat box and make one simple adjustment, where you type the number of video ideas or titles you want and hit enter. And in seconds, ChatGPT generates a full list of unique, high-engagement video title options specifically tailored for factory process, manufacturing, and industrial documentary-style content. And if you're not fully satisfied with the first set, trust me, don't worry, just ask the AI to generate more and it instantly gives you a fresh batch of new ideas. And take your time scrolling through because choosing the right idea has a huge impact on how well your video performs. So pick the one that grabs your attention the most. So now the next step is creating the visuals for your video. And this is where things get really exciting because we need high-quality image prompts that guide the AI to generate realistic cinematic footage. So head back to the Google Doc and copy the full image prompt, then paste it into ChatGPT and make a few simple edits like entering the number of image prompts you want depending on how long your final video will be. And for this example, I'll choose 6. Then add the topic or title number from earlier and hit enter. And in seconds, you get a complete set of detailed, ready-to-use image prompts, perfect for those high-detail industrial visuals that dominate this niche. And these image prompts give your video that polished, professional look that keeps viewers watching from start to finish. Now it's time to generate the actual visuals, and for this tutorial, we'll be using Google Image FX, so head to Image FX, log in with your Gmail and open Settings, then set the aspect ratio to 16:9 so your images match YouTube dimensions perfectly. Then go back to ChatGPT, copy your first image prompt, paste it into Image FX, and hit Generate. And within seconds, the AI creates high-quality, realistic images based on your prompt, giving you exactly the kind of visuals that make industrial videos so satisfying. And you'll see multiple image variations, so take your time, pick the one that fits your scene best, and download it to your device. And then just repeat that process for every image prompt until you have a complete set of visuals ready to build your video. Now the next step is animating your images into smooth, engaging video clips. And while the original creator uses tools like VO3, those can be expensive and not accessible to everyone, so for this tutorial, we're going with Hailuo AI, which is affordable, simple, and still produces professional results. So log into Hailuo AI, click Create Video, then choose Image to Video. And once you're inside, upload the image you want to animate. And now we need an animation prompt, so go back to ChatGPT and copy the same prompt used for that image. Paste it into Hailuo AI and make sure you select the VO3-1 model because this keeps the video engaging and helps viewer retention. Then set the resolution to 1080p and the ratio to 16:9 and hit generate. And the AI will animate your image, and once the video finishes, review it, and if it looks good, download it and repeat this for all your images until you have a full collection of animated clips ready for editing. Now it's time to put everything together using CapCut. So open CapCut, start a new project, and import all your animated clips. Then set the aspect ratio to 16:9 and go through each clip and stretch or adjust them to fit cleanly and remove any watermarks because this keeps your video polished and high quality. Then add transitions by clicking on Overlay Transitions and scroll through until you find the style that fits your video, then hit Apply to All so every clip flows with the same smooth cinematic feel. Then make your video more engaging with effects by clicking Video Effects, browsing the options, and dragging the ones you like across the timeline. And trust me, these tiny polishing touches keep viewers engaged way longer. Once your full timeline is ready, watch your whole video from start to finish to make sure everything plays smoothly. And if you like it, hit Export, set the resolution to 4K, and download your final video. And now real quick, let's look at the final result and enjoy how everything came together.
Chip density stable at 100%.
Moisture levels within optimal range.
Dioberts. Here in our state-of-the-art spinning hall, bamboo cellulose threads are extruded through micro nozzles, then stretched.
Thread alignment stable.
Pattern integrity confirmed.
Replacing spool now.
And finally, it's time to create a professional clickable thumbnail. So head back to the Google Doc, copy the thumbnail prompt, then paste it into ChatGPT and hit enter. And the AI generates a detailed prompt specifically designed for a strong, eye-catching YouTube thumbnail. Then head to ImageFX, paste the thumbnail prompt, make sure the aspect ratio is set to 16:9, and click Generate. And you'll see multiple thumbnail options appear. So look through them carefully and pick the strongest one and download it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you're ready to create your own viral industrial AI videos, because I promise you're closer than you think.